Environmental science is the study of how living beings interact with the natural world, air, water, land, plants, and animals, and how all of these systems stay in balance. It is a science of connections, because nothing in nature exists in isolation. Every tree, river, insect, and human plays a role in the great web of life. When we breathe, we take in oxygen from trees. When we eat, we depend on soil, water, and sunlight that nourished our crops. When it rains, rivers are replenished, and when rivers flow, communities thrive. Environmental science reminds us that the earth is a delicate system, and if one part is harmed, the rest is affected. The Quran draws our attention to this balance, and the heaven He raised and imposed the balance, that you not transgress within the balance, and establish weight in justice, and do not make deficient the balance. Surah Ar-Rahman, 55, 7, and 9. This balance is the very principle of sustainability. If humans overconsume, pollute, or disrupt ecosystems, we break the balance, and the earth itself suffers. Take forests as an example. Trees are more than wood for houses or paper. They absorb carbon dioxide, produce oxygen, regulate water cycles, and provide homes for animals. When forests are destroyed, climate change accelerates, rainfall patterns shift, and biodiversity is lost. Modern science confirms this. Yet the Quran already warned, and do not cause corruption on the earth after it has been set in order. Surah Al-A'raf 756. Deforestation, pollution, and exploitation are forms of corruption against the natural balance. Water, too, is central to environmental science. It is not just a resource, it is life itself. And we made from water every living thing. Surah Al-Anbiya 21:30. Scientists affirm this. Every organism, from the tiniest microbe to the largest mammal, depends on water. Freshwater ecosystems like rivers and lakes, and marine ecosystems like oceans and coral reefs are among the most biodiverse environments on Earth. Yet today, water scarcity and pollution threaten billions of people. Protecting water systems is protecting life. Environmental science also studies biodiversity, the variety of life on Earth. Every species, no matter how small, plays a role. Bees pollinate flowers and crops. Worms enrich the soil. Even predators like wolves regulate ecosystems by keeping populations balanced. The Quran celebrates this diversity. And of His signs is the creation of the heavens and the earth and the diversity of your languages and your colors. Indeed, in that are signs for those of knowledge. Surah Ar-Rum 30:22. Diversity in nature is not random. It is intentional, purposeful, and meaningful. But environmental science is not just about observing nature. It is about addressing the challenges we face today. Climate change is altering weather patterns, causing floods in some regions and droughts in others. Melting ice caps are raising sea levels, threatening coastal communities. Species extinction is accelerating at rates never seen before in human history. These are not distant problems. They affect food security, health, and the very survival of humanity. The Quran provides a principle for this. Corruption has appeared on land and sea because of what the hands of people have earned, so He may let them taste part of what they have done, that perhaps they will return. Surah Ar-Rum 30:41. Modern science agrees. Environmental degradation is largely man-made. Pollution, industrial waste, overfishing, fossil fuel emissions, and deforestation. These are the results of human choices. But just as humans cause damage, they can also repair and restore. Sustainability is the keyword of environmental science. It means using resources in a way that meets today's needs without destroying the ability of future generations to meet theirs. It is about planting trees, conserving water, recycling, using renewable energy, and respecting ecosystems. It is about remembering that Earth is not ours to exploit. It is entrusted to us. It is He who has produced you from the earth and settled you in it. Surah Hud 1161. To be settled in the earth means to live responsibly, not destructively. Science offers powerful tools to achieve sustainability. Renewable energy from the sun, wind, and water can replace polluting fossil fuels. Sustainable agriculture can feed billions without depleting soil. Urban planning can create green cities where humans and nature coexist. Conservation programs can protect endangered species and restore damaged ecosystems. Each of these is a practical application of maintaining the balance described in the Quran. Environmental science also teaches humility. No matter how advanced humanity becomes, it remains dependent on air, water, and soil. A single natural disaster, a hurricane, a drought, a wildfire, can remind us of our vulnerability. The Quran calls people to reflect on this dependence. Do you not see that Allah has subjected to you whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth, and has lavished upon you His favors, both apparent and hidden? Surah Luqman 31-20. Everything in the environment is interconnected and given with purpose, yet also fragile if abused. In the end, environmental science is more than a subject. It is a way of seeing the earth as a living system that demands respect. It is a call to responsibility, to gratitude, and to stewardship. Every time you recycle, plant a tree, save water, or reduce waste, you participate in protecting the balance. Every small act contributes to sustaining life on this planet. The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth. And environmental science is the reminder and the proof that caring for the planet is caring for ourselves, our children, and the generations yet to come.